Silence, when chosen with clarity, becomes the most intelligent response to toxicity. Modern culture often confuses strength with visibility. Loudness becomes mistaken for power, reaction for courage, and explanation for integrity. Elegance operates differently. Elegance understands that not every situation deserves engagement, and not every individual merits access. An elegant woman recognizes toxicity not through drama, but through pattern. Repetition of disrespect reveals itself quietly, long before confrontation feels tempting. Emotional intelligence sharpens perception, allowing behavior to be evaluated without personalization. Discernment replaces impulse. Toxic dynamics feed on reaction. Energy becomes their currency, attention becomes their reward. The refusal to participate dismantles the entire structure. This is not avoidance, this is mastery. Clarity before silence. Silence without clarity becomes confusion. Silence with clarity becomes authority. An elegant woman does not withdraw impulsively or punish through absence. Withdrawal occurs only after internal alignment is reached. Values lead the decision, not emotion. Standards dictate proximity, not guilt. Clarity answers 3 essential questions internally. Does this interaction elevate or diminish inner peace? Does engagement create resolution or repetition? Does proximity align with self-respect? Once clarity settles, silence requires no justification. Energy follows attention. Attention remains optional. No explanation becomes necessary when the decision is already final internally. Why engagement fails with toxic people? Toxic people rarely seek understanding. Validation drives their behavior. Reaction confirms relevance. Chaos maintains control. Engagement gives them exactly what they seek. Correction invites argument. Explanation invites distortion. Defense invites escalation. Elegance observes without absorbing. Patterns become visible when emotion steps aside. Behavior reveals intention more clearly than words ever could. Emotional intelligence recognizes that clarity does not require consensus. Self-respect does not need witnesses. Silence communicates boundaries without negotiation. The psychology of dignified distance. Distance carries language of its own. Feminine psychology understands that boundaries expressed quietly often land more decisively than those defended emotionally. Absence becomes information. Stillness becomes instruction. Toxic individuals feel most unsettled not by confrontation, but by irrelevance. Withdrawal removes the mirror. They rely upon to see themselves reflected. Distance is not passive. Distance is intentional redirection of energy toward what nourishes. Elegance understands that access is earned through behavior, not history. Detachment as emotional intelligence. Detachment does not signal coldness. Detachment signals regulation. Emotional intelligence allows feelings to be acknowledged without allowing them to govern behavior. Discernment separates emotional experience from behavioral response. Anger may arise, disappointment may surface, hurt may exist, reaction remains optional. Detachment creates space between stimulus and response. Power lives in that space. Response determines outcome more than circumstance ever will. An elegant woman chooses responses that preserve dignity long after the moment passes. The myth of explaining yourself. Explanation often disguises a need for validation. Elegance releases that need. People who respect boundaries do not demand justification. People who violate boundaries rarely honor explanations. Silence prevents misinterpretation from multiplying. Over-explanation invites manipulation. Confidence does not announce itself. Confidence withdraws gracefully. Self-trust replaces the need to be understood by everyone. Why peace is the ultimate status symbol. Peace reflects internal order. Luxury is not loud. Confidence is not chaotic. Power is not reactive. An elegant woman values nervous system regulation more than emotional performance. Calm becomes non-negotiable. Toxic people disrupt peace intentionally or unconsciously. Either way, responsibility remains personal. Peace becomes protected through selective engagement. Not every invitation deserves attendance. Quiet power versus visible strength. Visible strength seeks recognition. Quiet power assumes it. Elegance moves without announcement. Decisions unfold without explanation. Boundaries exist without debate. Action matters more than justification. Walking away internally often happens long before walking away externally. Emotional detachment precedes physical distance. This internal shift changes posture, tone, presence, and availability. Energy recalibrates naturally. Relief as confirmation. Relief becomes the clearest confirmation of alignment. Tension fades once distance is established. Mental noise softens. Emotional clarity returns. Relief does not arrive after confrontation. Relief arrives after choosing self-respect. The body often recognizes truth before the mind accepts it. Lightness signals correctness. Why silence feels uncomfortable at first. Silence removes familiar patterns. Explaining feels productive. Reacting feels justified. Silence feels exposed. Discomfort often accompanies growth. The nervous system adjusts to calm after long exposure to chaos. Elegance allows discomfort to pass without reverting to old patterns. Self-regulation strengthens through repetition. Grace as behavioral consistency. Grace does not fluctuate with mood. Behavior aligned with standards creates predictability and inner stability. Emotional consistency builds trust internally. Elegance means behaving the same regardless of audience. Integrity becomes visible through restraint. Toxicity cannot attach where consistency exists. Self-worth without performance. Worth does not require defense. Performance dissolves when approval loses importance. An elegant woman stops auditioning for understanding. Clarity stands quietly. Silence becomes self-affirmation. The long-term effect of composure. Composure compounds over time. Reputation stabilizes. Energy reserves increase. Emotional resilience deepens. Others adjust behavior naturally when boundaries remain consistent. Respect emerges organically, no force required. A reflective moment. Consider the last interaction that drained energy. Notice the urge that followed. The impulse to explain. The desire to correct. The need to be understood. Now imagine choosing composure instead. Distance instead of debate. Silence instead of justification. Alignment instead of reaction. That choice changes everything. Quiet certainty. Elegance ends arguments before they begin. Silence chosen with clarity reflects intelligence, not indifference. Peace becomes the standard. Distance becomes the boundary. Composure becomes the signature. Toxicity loses influence where self-worth stands firm. Quiet composure remains undefeated. Which response has protected peace the most? Silence, distance, or calm composure? Share the moment when choosing restraint changed everything. Reflections offered here may become clarity for another woman finding her way back to herself. Please subscribe to Thriving Ivy 3883 for emotionally intelligent perspectives on self-respect, feminine clarity, and quiet power. Each reflection is created for women who choose composure over chaos and alignment over explanation.